הוא נורא נחמד. הוא אדם נורא. I just said two sentences, where one is a very positive one, while the other is a very negative one. How is that even possible? As you could see, the word נורא can be used both in a positive as well as in a negative manner. Let's see how it's done. Come along for the journey, my friend. Brought to you by Kapara Productions, let's dive straight into it. Let's start off with a modifier version of נורא. The modifier version of נורא is mainly used in slang, and it usually switches the word מאוד, but in a much stronger and more powerful way. Let's see how it's done in the following examples. Usually, many people would say, אני רעב מאוד. I'm very hungry. Instead, you could use, אני נורא רעב. I am terribly hungry. You see the difference? Let's check out some other examples. השמלה זו נורא יפה. This dress is extremely beautiful. הבגדים שלהם נורא יקרים. Their clothing are super expensive. As you can see, the word נורא is a modifier, where it modifies the adjective coming after it to an extreme, either in a positive or in a negative direction. When used as a modifier, the word נורא will usually come before the adjective and will always stay the same and is never adjusted to be masculine, feminine, or plural. Now, let's move on to using נורא as an adjective. When using נורא as an adjective, it is always translated as terrible. Examples: איזה יום נורא היה לי היום בעבודה. What a terrible day I had at work today. המכונית הזו פשוט נוראית. This car is simply terrible. אני מרגיש נורא. I feel terrible. As you can see, when נורא is used as an adjective, it always comes after the noun and is adjusted according to the noun's gender and quantity. Obviously, this rule is true to basically all adjectives in Hebrew. Let's move on. The opposite of נורא is, of course, לא נורא. Israelis love to use this phrase when trying to say that we shouldn't get overexcited over a supposed bad thing. Basically, they're trying to say, let's not make such a big deal out of this. Examples: זה לא כזה נורא ללכת ברגל. It's really not a big deal to go by foot. אבא, הגלידה שלי נפלה על הרצפה. לא נורא מתוקה. אקנה לך אחת חדשה. Dad, my ice cream fell on the floor. No worries, sweetheart. I'll buy you a new one. The word נורא also has an additional meaning when we examine its biblical translation. Some of you might have heard the term ימים נוראים, which is a period of 10 days in the Hebrew calendar, which begins with Rosh Hashanah and ends with Yom Kippur. Here, we don't translate ימים נוראים as horrible days, but rather as days of awe, where Jews reflect back on the year that has passed and work on bettering themselves for the new Jewish year. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye!